Let's talk parent to parent. When you think about your child's future, do you feel ready? Headlines and schoolyard whispers remind us how fast the world is changing, AI shifting jobs, and an education system struggling to keep up. I'm a mother of 2 girls, and their future is everything to me. But this isn't about fear, it's about clarity. Let's turn our worries into a plan. The road ahead isn't a dark tunnel, it's a path we can light up for our kids. We don't need all the answers, but we do need the right questions. Let's focus on the skills that will make our kids resilient, adaptable, and deeply human. Today, I'll share 10 future-proof skills your child needs to thrive in an AI-driven world. Some may surprise you, but all are essential. And yes, you can start teaching them right at home in everyday moments. Let's get started. The art of asking good questions is a superpower. At dinner, play a game where your child pretends to talk to an AI. Teach them to ask creative, curious questions. Connection matters: storytelling, clear writing, and speaking with heart. Try recording a family podcast or have your child tell a story about their day. Creativity isn't just a hobby, it's a core strength. Encourage your child to create something from nothing, or use AI to turn a dream into digital art. In a world of deepfakes, critical thinking is non-negotiable. Watch 2 online videos and ask your child which one feels real. Why? Teach them to pause and question. Technology has an off switch. Feelings don't. At bedtime, ask, what emotion showed up most for you today? Help them name and express it. The future belongs to the adaptable. Hold a failure dinner where everyone shares something they messed up and what they learned. Digital safety is the new stranger danger. Watch an influencer's video together and ask, what's real and what's performance? Talk about privacy and boundaries. It's about seeing problems and creating solutions. Ask, if you had 100 to fix something at school, what would you do? The world is more connected than ever. Pick a country of the month and explore its food, music, and what it's like to be a kid there. Our kids will partner with AI. Write a story together, your child writes a paragraph, then let AI write the next. See where it goes. Looking at this list, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But remember, it's not about raising tech geniuses. It's about nurturing kids who can adapt, empathize, and lead, whether building robots or relationships. These are the skills that last a lifetime. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just be present. Have these conversations and model curiosity and resilience. You are your child's most important teacher. AI is here, but so are we as parents, as guides, as their steady place in a changing world. Let's raise the most empowered, future-ready generation ever. If this spoke to you, share it with another parent. Download my free Future Ready Kids Toolkit link in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and let's raise the bar together. This is the new parenting, and you're not alone.